is Brittany, and today I'm going to explain p-hacking.
In order to understand p-hacking, you must first be clear on what a null hypothesis is. A null hypothesis exhibits no relationship between two variables. In order to disprove a null hypothesis and get interesting scientific results, scientists must find a low p-value. The p-value states how likely data are to occur given a true null hypothesis. Most scientists use the arbitrary value of 0.05 to determine if the results are statistically significant. Statistical significance means that the results are so unlikely that it can be concluded that the null hypothesis is false, and there's a correlation between the two variables. However, the value of 0.05 was not determined using any scientific method and can produce incorrect results if conclusions are solely based on this value. Many scientists are under extreme pressures to produce statistically significant results and unclear about the meaning of the p-value, causing p-hacking to occur in extreme instances. In fact, in the last decade, many scientific journals have removed p-values because they realized many scientists did not understand the meaning behind the p-values in their papers. P-hacking is done by determining the p-value of the relationship between many variables without a well-thought-out null hypothesis. If 20 different relationships, such as relationships between people liking a color and a food item, are tested with no reason other than trying to find an arbitrary relationship, odds are that one of them will have a statistically significant p-value, even though the results are not significant. This is because results that are statistically significant are unlikely, not impossible, given a true null hypothesis. When scientists and statisticians falsely conclude that the null hypothesis is false and there's a relationship between the two variables, this is called type 1 error. P-hacking can lead to crazy results. 538 did a study in which they could p-hack their way to a correlation between liking tomatoes and being Jewish. So next time you read a paper with a p-value, make sure you also look for a null hypothesis.